Today is Monday, August 22nd, 2022. It is also day 25 of JS for Websites. And today I'm going to take the site that I made for web development, which is this one, and I'm just going to change the inner HTML of like this title over here using JavaScript only. So I'll go to my JS, and basically what I did was I went to my web dev and I just went to the code and forked it, which means make a copy of that code pen. And the only different thing, or the only thing I added, was that I added an ID of title to the H1, which is this, so that I can quickly access it through the JS. So I'll do var to create a variable called title, and then I'll access the actual H1 from the DOM, which is a copy of like all of the HTML that you have, and I'll just do the get element by ID function because again, I gave the heading and ID of title, and then I can just do title.innerHTML because that's what I'm changing and set it equal to something random. I don't know, like we create the design of your dream, period. And of your dreams. All right, there we go. And that's it. We create the design of your dreams and everything stays the same. All right, that's it for today. Bye.